Come, let's be see and enjoy the beauty of eating parrots. Hi, I'm Hansika.
Hi, I'm Jeevika.
We are going to put chalk rice to the parrots. Come, let's be see and enjoy the beauty of eating parrots. We enjoyed every day as the birds come and eat, and the noise come from them is fantastic to hear. Our purpose is for you to do the same. That is why I am talking about this. Very easy process, you can do it. We feed the birds twice daily. Every day we put the rice before the time of sunrise. Evening we put food on after school on school days. We started feeding the parrots during the pandemic period, March 2020. First one parrot came and after two parrots, three parrots, and it gradually increased. Now it is more than 1,000. This will further increase during the rainy season. If you have any questions about feeding the birds, please let us know in the comments. We are from India, Tamil Nadu. We feed not only parrots but also hundreds of pigeons, hundreds of crows, lots of Indian mynas, and many squirrels and sparrows, etc. My father would often say that this world is not just for humans but for everyone in the world. He would say that the birds should be seen as brothers and sisters. My parents are very helpful in feeding the birds. Without them, we can't. I thank to them.